Good evening, everyone. Today we have our participants from the anxiety counseling workshop that they have attended since for the last 4 days to share their feedback with us. So who'd like to go first?
I would like to go first.
Yes, Sahana.
Yes. So I'm Sahana Murali. I did my undergrad in physical therapy. So now I'm actually currently pursuing my MA in psychology. I just started and I've been doing other volunteering works as a researcher. And I wanted to take up my progress in neuroscience research field. So yeah, so I took up this anxiety counseling workshop. So in order to I also have certain types of anxiety, so I can treat on myself as well and also help with other people. Like I have few friends who are dealing with it. So yeah, I took up this workshop. And the key takeaways from this workshop is firstly, I wanted to thank Divya Raksha ma'am and other participants of this workshop as well, because having a good environment in cooperating with each other led to a good learning session. And because of that cooperation, it went really well. And my key takeaways are how we should be good with questioning and identifying the triggers, the problem statements, because once identifying them, the progress will get very easy. And yesterday, I just had a moment of a eureka moment, like how identifying my one trigger that just immediately made my progress better just with one day. So that was kind of really good. And I wanted to apply for that my clients as well. And also the release metaphors we discussed in workshop, how that actually not just to practice and learn, but also to implement that in ourselves and feel that how it will feel for a client. So that was really a good thing to take away from me. And for this, and a feedback for the session is that is really good. I hope that this workshop goes as this same way, because having different groups of people and practicing with different types of people, it's kind of really encouraging, and to be open-minded and to do it well. It was really good. So that will be my feedback. So thank you, Divya ma'am. This workshop went really well. Thank you a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sahana. Who'd like to go next? All right, Shweta. Yes.
Hi, I'm Shweta from Bangalore. I have done my bachelor's in engineering, and after that, I had taken a break for a while. But I've always been very intrigued by the human mind itself. And with the times that have changed, I realized that there are a lot of people having small to big anxiety issues. So I was looking at something that can help me as a person, and also people around me who are looking for even a small help from anybody, that can that they hold dear to. So when I was looking up on the internet, of course ICHARS popped up a lot of times, so I just went with it because I didn't know where to start off. I have no psychology background, so I just wanted something to kickstart my passion for taking up therapy, or being a coach. So that is the reason I took anxiety counseling workshop. It has been amazing. I have not attended classes in a very long time, and I definitely will vouch for Divya Raksha ma'am, because she was not at all, she never had a problem being interrupted a zillion times. I had, I think, a gazillion questions as well, but she answered all my questions very patiently, because of which I have had many takeaways from this program. There have been some instant relief methods, abstract relief, transformational metaphors and stuff, which we practiced hands-on. She used to teach us, and immediately we used to practice, and we could make out, I mean, we could feel the difference right then and there. Although we were anxious about trying it out, she made it so easy. She always motivated us, and that. Other than that, I did like the flip model, which will show us, I mean, which will give us an idea about how you can just switch your emotions by introspecting your thoughts. I really loved the course, and Divya Raksha ma'am, thank you so much, and thanks to my fellow mates as well. without you guys, I mean, without all of you, I wouldn't have been able to practice so well and learn much more from all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, ICHARS.
Thank you, Shweta. And Rashi, we're left with you.
So, hi, my name is Rashi, and currently I'm in my third year of Bachelor's of Psychology, and I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. I'm pursuing the course from Mumbai College. I took up this anxiety counseling course, because anxiety is a part and parcel of everyday life. Like it may be small levels of anxiety, or it may be more severe anxiety. It may be good anxiety or bad anxiety, but anxiety comes along in different situations. And this course was really good. Divya Raksha ma'am was really good. Divya ma'am was always, she was very patient with us. She was approachable. She was very patient. We could ask her a number of questions, and the techniques that she taught. It might seem difficult when we are learning it, and we will be like, okay, how are we going to do it? It seems difficult, but we were given the time and the support to actually practice it. And once we practiced, it seemed more doable. And I would really like to thank Divya ma'am as well as all my fellow mates. It was really good, and they were all very cooperative. My key takeaways would be, the main question, the main skill we need is asking the correct questions. You need to probe and probe and probe to reach the actual trigger. You might think that, okay, we have understood the client, but that might just be the starting. We were talking yesterday itself how there are layers to emotions. We need to keep asking to understand the correct trigger or the correct emotion behind it. We need to reach the specifics. And amidst all this itself, the client themselves would have just inside the aha moment, because I think all of us had that. Okay, oh, for ourselves as well, when we were practicing on each other, we had that aha moment that, okay, oh, this is the problem. And so it was really good. It is good when you have to practice on someone else, as well as when you have to it can be a self-help thing as well. So it was really good. We got practice. We could actually practically implement it. We got the theoretical knowledge. And not just that, after the practical implementation, also she gave us feedbacks as well as helped us. She assisted us. She was really good. She facilitated from start to end. So Divya ma'am was really good. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you so much to all my fellow mates. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashi. All right, so that brings us to the end of this workshop. And those of you who are watching us live on Facebook, if you're interested in any of our short courses, anxiety or the relationship or the sleep counseling short course that we conduct, please do visit our website, www.ichars.com, and you can enroll from there. And you can even download the prospectus and get to know more about the course. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.